Electrify. That's
Marcos! Hey! What's up? Hey! What's up? Oh shit! Good to see you, man. How's everything?
Everything good?
Hey, man. What's up? Oh my goodness! Wow. No test rides.
Don't just video, come
Hey, what's up?
How are
Good to see you. How's it going today?
It's great. It's good.
I see you got some test riders. I heard there's a tuned up Jackrabbit here.
There's a few.
With the BAC controller.
Do you know what? It's
Oh my god. Yo, look at this.
TSA broke his throttle.
This is like 50-mile bike right here.
This is sick.
It's literally working off of
Drill batteries, right?
batteries.
I saw someone riding this one just a minute ago. What you got, June? Yeah. Yep. That's the XG. Yeah.
Yeah, because it has the double battery.
Yep.
Yeah, and they let you out right there.
I'm so torn because my motorcycle was 5 inches. You'll also have
All right, I'm at the Gazelle booth. Guillermo is gonna try a cargo bike, and I'm gonna be the cargo passenger. Is this the one we're gonna try? Yep. Yeah. You gotta step up your game, man. You gotta step up your game. You need this. You ready?
You guys mostly figured it out? Yep.
All right.
There you go. All right. This gives you your different levels of assistance. I see some people with energy here. This is your. This is kind of a clutch. So you're spinning faster this way. You're spinning harder this way. You're going to be the most wobbly right when you push off. So you might want to get up to speed relatively quickly. You also want to be generous when you're taking turns because your front wheel's way in front.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Happy riding.
Okay, Guillermo. Don't fucking kill me. Hey! Hey! Oh wait, we got the Super 73. I see it, it's coming up. I'll give him a big whistle when we come by. Yeah! Yo, this is fucking too fun. Holy shit. I want this shit on Electric Wednesday.
Yo, I need this shit. Are you comfortable there?
I'm very comfortable. This is awesome.
Bro, we can get a phone.
The drunk bus.
Alright, there's gonna be a tight turn.
All right, take it wide. What's this guy riding? The Ghost Cat? Let's fuck him up. This is awesome. I hear that motor struggling. I'm a fat fuck.
Can you say it's low and you got?
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
Yo, but this is comfortable to ride.
Yeah? It's all pedal assist, right? No throttle only?
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, hit that bump. This is an interesting course they got set out for us. Yo, this is too fun.
Got the whole fucking pedal. Song too?
Yep. Look at you with your moto helmet on. Yo, this is insane. You think you'll let us do another lap? Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah, we're on the second lap. Yo! Yo! Yeah, now we're cruising, baby. That's all right. This is awesome. Fucking wide open track. 20? Oh, you got a heads up speedometer on there? That's cool. Take the fence out. Woo! Coming through! Coming through! Oh. Super 73 in front. You want to race?
You
ready? Race, race, race. How's it feel? Natural? Good?
Yeah, well, it feels, honestly, it's not that hard to drive.
I'm like 180, so you figure if you have like shitloads of weight on here, you're pretty good.
Oh, you're 180?
Yeah.
Oh, this is fucking perfect.
Right now I'm 180 because I'm a fat fuck. Awesome. The Gazelle freestyle. Thanks for the ride, Guillermo. That was fun as fuck. Woo! Damn.
There was like a little extra stuff in there.
Oh my God, isn't that Ivan? Is that Ivan?
Wait, there's two celebrities right here.
No, there's a lot of celebrities.
JB360 and Ivan.
Johnny Prime. Look how they treat us. We got the crates here. And everything like
Oh, I
that.
get the crate couch? Look at this crate couch.
Nice collection of milk crates. It's great.
This is what the other
I'm definitely gonna go sit in that.
No, I mean it's
Like you like that too, huh?
I mean no one bothers me on it. Like
They don't. They bother you more with the scooter.
the office building.
I like the Brooklyn one.
It's Ivan rides riding a bike. Do you know who he is? Do you know who is gracing? Just riding. Who is gracing you with his presence?
Wow, I'm such a huge fan.
I'm such a fan. Oh my God.
Can you sign my boobs? Oh wow.
I'm good. Ivan had low battery.
What's up, man? Oh man, we got powerful Lithium and Jackrabbit in the same space right now. This is crazy.
The flag, not those, but he did the other flag.
So you have one? So it's 32 pounds, but it's like lighter than a lot of scooters. Okay. 32 pounds, and our smaller models, 24 pounds. And so like,
You know what they say? We all look different when we don't got a.
I'm super bike guy. Rusty Rose number 2.
Hell no, yo. Nigga,
Do a wheelie.